Hello Acura community, on today's how-to with Southview, we're showing you how to use your hands-free tailgate with programmable height. Step 1, you must have your key fob in your possession. Step 2, perform a forward-back kicking motion in the rear center of the vehicle. Side to side may not work. You can also program the height of your tailgate, so either use the fob or the kicking motion to open it. Stop your tailgate at the desired height, either by using the fob or the tailgate button. Once you have picked your desired height, you're going to hold down the button and listen for it to beep. The tailgate is now set to that height. To close your tailgate, you can either press the fob, you can push the button on the back of the hatch, or you can repeat the kicking motion. And that's today's how-to with Southview.